Welcome to BBQ Pit Boys.com. Bobby Fame here, and I want to show you one of our favorite snacks at the pit. It's mozzarella cheese, more specifically, deep fried mozz. It's outrageous, creamy on the inside, crispy on the outside, because what we're going to do is do an egg wash here, coat it really well, and drop it into some seasoned breadcrumbs like Smokey Joe is doing here. All right? Get those breadcrumbs all over that mozz. Again, just in case you fell asleep or don't understand it, we're going to show you again. Take some slices of block mozzarella cheese. Yeah, and it's real mozzarella cheese. It's a low moisture cheese. It's used everywhere. Millions of small mom and pop shops all over the world do a fried cheese. And they use these low moisture mozzarella blocks, and they're perfect. Now, we've got them coated. Now, the trick is to get the fry right is put them in the freezer and get them cold. Don't freeze them, just get them ice cold. It firms up the cheese and allows the breadcrumb to stick and get nice and crispy when you do this deep fry. Now, use your favorite oil for deep fry. Follow your instructions. You know all about that. It doesn't take long to do. You cook it until the outside gets crispy or the way you like it. Oh, man, I am telling you. You don't need to be doing any barbecue. You just hang out, man, and deep fried some mozzarella cheese. And I know you guys who do it agree with me. Oh, man. All right. Simple enough, right? 2 down. I'd say let's do a couple more. Again, slowly drop it in. You want to avoid too much splatter. And you don't want to be doing this in the house, right? You do it at your pit. Oh, yeah. This is what it's all about. Ooh. Look at that. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside. Ooh, need I say more? Now, we've decided we're going to serve these up on some burgers. You can use them directly as snacks, no burger style here. We've got some great burgers, stack it on. And we've got some good sauce, right? A marinara sauce. We'll make these like a pizza fried dough sandwich. You know what I'm saying. That's it right there. You hear that, Chris? All right. So remember this. If you're looking for a good recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. It's good.